Well, everybody, we have an epic late April blockbuster to talk about for eastern Pennsylvania, and depending upon where you live, you are either going to see a significant amount of rain or a significant amount of snow. Yeah, you might want to stick around for this one. Your weather is next. Well, no time to waste here, guys. Let's get right to it with the national radar. We have to look at the bigger picture to figure out how this is even possible to have such a snowstorm like this time of year. Well, we are seeing three areas of low pressure here. One over the Great Lakes. We are seeing that blue there. That's the snow. As you head further to the south and east, we have another area of low pressure here that's moving out of the Tennessee area into the Ohio Valley. And the primary low that is slowly starting to develop coming off the southeast coast here, that is going to be our blockbuster coming up the coast later today through the overnight. In addition to all of this, we have an area of high pressure that's going to be anchored well to our north and east over Maine and parts of Nova Scotia. That is going to be giving us some cold air as well. And the timing of this event, bad timing. The onset of this precipitation begins at around the late afternoon, early evening for most of us, but what's going to happen is that changeover and the heavy snowfall rate that could be falling for many of you as we head through the overnight into tomorrow morning. So this is definitely an epic late season, late April snowfall for everyone in Northeast Pennsylvania. So let's get right to it with the snow map and see who is going to get what here. Now, this is an entire elevation dependent snowfall, everybody. I can't be Picasso. It would take me 3 days to make a snow map depicting your elevation and what you're going to get. So this is just giving you a basic idea here. The Wyoming Valley, as you can see, 2, maybe 3, 4 inches of snow, that's it. But once you head higher up, it doesn't matter if you're heading south, north, east, or west, you're going to see more snow. In fact, you could see anywhere from 5 to 10 inches. In fact, some models are hinting at even higher amounts of snow, especially for the higher terrain of the Poconos. 12, 15 inches, not out of the realm at this point in time. The second stripe here, we're looking at 2 to 6 inches. Again, it's all going to be elevation dependent. Stroudsburg, Bushkill, Delaware Water Gap, you could maybe get away with a couple of inches here, but as soon as you get to a hilltop, that's when we're going to see higher snow totals. And again, we could see higher amounts. It is possible. Now, for the Lehigh Valley region, it's not looking like much. We are looking at a soaking rain, 1 to 2 inches, and just a coating of slushy snow on grassy surfaces, maybe an inch if you live in the slate belt. So let's talk about your forecast for tonight, everybody, because it's going downhill for everybody. We are going to see temperatures drop before the sun even sets later on tonight. Many of you are going to be in the upper 30s for the Lehigh Valley. That rain moves in, it's going to be coming down pretty hard at times, and we're going to see that wind shift from the north as we get through the overnight, and it's going to be pretty downright cold once you wake up tomorrow morning with temperatures only in the mid-30s. Now, as we head into tomorrow, temperatures will rebound. We are going to see some clearing taking place, improving conditions as we head through mid-morning. Sunshine is going to break out, but we are going to see a brisk and blustery west wind at about 15 to 20, gusts up to 30, highs only getting into the upper 40s, and lows tank once again. So yeah, get ready, everybody. Here's your off the radar, because we do have some good news for you. Yes, after all of this rainfall that we're going to see in the Lehigh Valley mixing with snow at times for the overnight, we are going to see improving conditions. Temperatures will moderate as we get into the midweek. But look at what happens here by the end of the week. Shorts and t-shirts once again, because we are going to make a run for 70 degrees. There you have it, everybody. Stay safe, stay warm, and if you have a commute north into the Poconos, pay attention and stay off the roads, because one thing is for sure, a very heavy slushy snow is actually worse to drive in than a fine powdery snow that we typically would see during the winter months. So keep that in mind. I'll see you guys.